All right, so the scope has been calibrated, and I have a 10 volt peak to peak sine wave coming in from across the whole resistor stack, and then I'm measuring the voltage across a 10 ohm resistor, and the current will be whatever that voltage is divided by 10. All right, everything, those resistances have been verified with an ohm meter. So with auto set, right, there doesn't seem to be anything on channel 2. That's because it's a rather small voltage. So if I zoom in as much as I can, now I can see it, but it is a little bit noisy. So let's clean it up. We have high res, and I'm gonna go to like supreme average. All right, now we'll go to XY, and notice the grounds aren't at 0, right? Oops. So let's just get those to where they should be by adjusting these two knobs. It doesn't cross 0 because of the 10 ohm resistor that we're using to sense. We're kind of hacking the system here. One could measure the voltage across the top resistor in math and then measure just the regular voltage, but you can't do XY. So you can save all the data and export it into Excel and analyze it, but and now I'm just going to expand it as much as I can. All right, so I'm going to turn on the cursors, and we have 2 voltages for the X, 2 voltages slash currents for the Y, and you can find the slope. Now, this happened to me. I guess I need more coffee. Is that I kept getting around 1,000 ohms instead of 10,000, and that's because Y is not really directly millivolts to milliamps. It's actually 10 less than that, right? So it's 0.18 milliamps and 0.626. When you do that, you'll get a number close to 10,000 ohms for taking the slope. Now, some other things is that I had to use a 10 peak-to-peak voltage to be able to see the signal at all. I'll show you not seeing the signal. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in, and now I'm just changing the, right, and so I'll start up at 1. So 1 peak to peak, right? Let me expand this, right? I'm just not seeing anything. It's just I'm beyond the resolution of the oscilloscope. So it's not automatically scaling. So depending on the voltage, you need to adjust the peak to peak.